In this series, we'll be looking at two-sided thermal label printing with Minisoft's eFORMz. What is two-sided thermal label printing? Well, in the past, companies have had to print packing slips and shipping labels, manually match them, and apply them separately. With eFORMz integration, two-sided thermal label printing has changed all of this. Shipping and order output can simultaneously be printed on the front and back sides of the same label. Essentially, Minisoft automatically brings together output from a shipping solution with output from any enterprise resource planning or order management software. We like to call it the data rendezvous point. eFORMz analyzes the output, matches it, formats it, and sends it to a two-sided thermal label printer or a laser printer. Shipping labels, return labels, and other shipping output prints on the front, while packing slips, invoices, gift notices, and other order output prints on the back side of the same label. This process is completely automated, ensuring the data is printed simultaneously and accurately on one two-sided label. In this series, we'll be looking at a sample two-sided thermal label printing process with eFORMz. What will we need? We'll need to be running eFORMz version 10 or higher, and we'll also need access to a two-sided thermal label printer or a laser printer, depending upon the type of label we're using. Of course, all the labels will have to be duplex pack slip labels, which come in a variety of formats, some for laser printers and some for two-sided thermal label printers. And this unique label is an all-in-one thermal-coated label, which duplex prints. To follow along specifically with this tutorial, you can request the following files from a Minisoft support representative. We have a sample packing slip project, along with a sample extensible markup language, or XML, data file which has our order output. We have a sample shipping label project with a ZPL or Zebra programming language file that contains our shipping label data. And we also have a print label project which brings the output from the packing slip and shipping label projects together and sends it to the printer using a composite data file. This entire process is automated using the configuration file, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. In addition to these files, we'll need to create 4 unique folders. In the default installation of eFORMz, the Minisoft eFORMz 6 input folder is automatically created. We'll add these 4 folders to our input folder. One will be for the packing slip, one for the shipping label, one for PDFs that we will create during this process, and one called Rendezvous. The packing slip folder will contain our packing slip output. The shipping label folder will contain our shipping output. The 2SD PDFs will remain blank for now. And the Rendezvous folder will contain our composite data file.